I've seen trades become profitable in 7 months and also seen trades that took 7 years. And what's the difference? Guys, it's simple. If you're ready, starting trading and want to be profitable, don't waste your first year in trading because that's the most important one. Like guys, if you're just starting out trading, I highly recommend you watch this video until the end because I'll be sharing all my experience. I'm trading gold for more than 4 years and a half. I have like people who are becoming profitable in like 7 months, 6 months, 5 months, and people who took like 5, 6, 7 years. And the difference is simple, guys, because some mistakes that's basic, but most beginners do because they just think, oh, I'm having this type of problem, so I'll do this to solve this problem. But guys, that's not the way. And yeah, let's start. So guys, the most important things you can never buy back is time. So you can just pay your money to don't waste time. That's the best thing you can do because you just spend like low currency, that's money, and have like high currency, that's time. Because guys, if you just try to learn from your own mistake, you're probably gonna spend like years, especially in trading. So what's the best and the smart thing to do? Learn from mistakes from other people. That's what's cost me like more than 1 year and a half just losing money trading because I was just alone with books at the time, like search some YouTube videos, online videos, but I don't have any friends with me. I don't have anyone who can guide me step by step how I can do this. So that's why I just spent like 1 year and a half just lose money trading. And that's what I'm gonna say that, guys, if you're just starting out trading, the first thing is, of course, you're gonna search a lot of videos online, and that's the first problem because in the beginning you're gonna learn a lot of strategy. And guys, don't overwhelm yourself with this because if you just see 10 different strategies, 15 different strategies and try to apply all this, you're probably gonna overwhelm yourself, get confused, stuck, because every time your trade doesn't work, gets a loss, you think that's strategy problem, so you're gonna learn another strategy. So in that way you spend a lot of time to learn that strategy, and then when all it ends, you just discover, oh, it's not strategy problem. Because if I just have one simple strategy, like basic strategy, especially on golds, you can be profitable. Because especially on golds, guys, let's say if you just know how you can like the basic strategy, if you know the basic strategy one, you can apply this every day, you can be profitable because golds always show you patterns. Like example, if one thing happens one time in golds, you can make sure the same things can happen at least 4-5 times in a day on gold. So you can catch this entry, this like way of entry in the charts, this way of taking a trade at least 5 times in a day. And that's our need, guys. Let's say if you just need to take 5 entries in a day, you can do this with, guys, just one strategy. You don't need 10 different strategies. So the best thing, and the first thing you want to do, just don't overrun yourself with strategy. Just try to focus on just one, like even the basic one, whatever. Like try to make this the simple as possible. The simple can make trades, the fastest you're gonna learn, grow, and make money. So that's the first tip. Don't overrun yourself with strategies. I just spent a bunch of years with this. Like guys, 1 year and a half just losing money. Like 1 year was just trying to what strategy works, switch to different strategy, and at the end I just discovered, guys, just one strategy and the basic one that works. You just need to make sure you are extremely good at just one strategy and not switching every time for each one once you have a loss. Because that's the thing, the loss always gonna come. If you're starting trading and think, okay, I don't want to take any loss, just want to take profits, guys, you ended up just not surviving the market because the loss always gonna come. So what's your job? Be prepared and be ready when the loss comes. So when the loss comes, you have your own risk management on plan. In the day you have all your plan solid, so you can just follow the plan, be disciplined with your own risk management, and that's how you survive the markets. Just know the loss always gonna come and be ready for the loss, because when the loss comes, you can literally take a low loss and be big profit. So that's how it works basically. So first thing, don't overwhelm yourself strategy, just focus on just one, and that's how you start already like save a lot of time. Because guys, just for myself, spends more than 1 year just switch strategy, see different videos about trading, follow different creators. And guys, everybody, like every creator you're gonna see in this YouTube or another social media, whatever, who do trading, have their own strategy. The thing is, just focus, and of course try at least for 1 week each one, so you can see how it works for you, see what works better for you. Just focus on this one for at least, let's say, 4-5 months. just one. So in that way, you see, it's not a strategy problem, it's another things problems. Like you don't have discipline to follow the plan, you over leverage, over trades. When you get a loss, you try to get all this money back in the first time. Or when you make money, you have greedy. You make money, want to make more money. That's how you just give the money back to the charts, give the money back to the markets, and don't be profitable. So you see, the first thing is not strategy problem. So if you have this, like this thing running your mouth, oh, my problem is strategy. No, it's not. Just focus just one and try to solve this another other problem. Because if you're just losing money on trading, or if you're just starting, most of the problems you're gonna have is not because you don't know like something. It's because you're not doing the things you already know. So that's the thing I realized for me also. I was like, guys, 2 years already trading. I was not profitable yet. I was saying, oh, I already know a lot of things. What am I doing wrong? I need to know something I didn't know to get the results I'm not getting. Guys, it's not the way that works. Especially trading, you need to do exactly every day the things you already know. And that's how you become profitable. Once you start doing everything you know in the best way, executing extremely well this type of thing. So that's the first tip. I think already guys got that, because that's the most one. Because I just spent 1 year just getting a lot of mistakes on this one. But second tip, guys, it's about paper trading on real accounts, like with your own money or demo accounts paper trading. The tip is, guys, always trade with your own money. Live accounts, or even foreign accounts, because you already need to put some money in, the money left your bank, so you have this feeling, oh, I put in money, so I need to be the best, like doing my best to get this work. So that's another tip I recommend for you guys. Never trade like for paper money, because the most important thing to trade is your emotion, like emotional. So if you trade emotional, guys, if you real accounts have a losing streak, you want to switch to paper trades and then accounts to see, oh, I'm gonna fix this and this in the paper accounts, and then I'm gonna come back to the live accounts to make money. Most of the times you do this, probably when you come back to the live accounts, you're gonna end up losing money, again, because you don't solve the most important thing, that is your emotion. Because guys, 80% of trading is all emotional, about close the trades early, don't let the trades run, or hesitate to enter in the trades, don't have confidence in yourself. That's all emotional. And like 20% of the mistakes you make is because you don't know like the best way to read the charts, you don't know like where the leverage is, this basic stuff. Because guys, if you apply the basics on trades, especially for trading golds, execute the other things very well, like emotional things, just stick to a strategy, don't over trading, don't do don't be greedy on trading, follow exactly the plan you have, guys, you're gonna make money. That's the thing. And I already take some traders already starting out on trades here inside my consulting, and I already take some traders who are already trading for a long time, like for 5 years, 6 years, and trades for already just starting. And what's the difference? Because of the traders who are already trading for more than 5 years comes to me, because guys, they are not making money, so they need, oh, I think I need another guy who already more experienced to me, to show me the way. So that's another mental model to have, guys. If you're already strong with trading, if you're already trading for more than 4 years, 5 years, and still not making money, guys, something is wrong. If you're already, if you don't see the mistake you make for 5 years, you need someone to help you. So that's the thing. That's why I especially have this one-on-one consulting, because I'm literally with you one by one in calls, guys. Literally see what is wrong, the things you need to improve, how you can get better results, especially for trading, how you can start in the best way with someone guide you step by step the right way, so you can just apply and make money with this. So come back to the points of this video. First one is strategy, second one trading free, real money, like live accounts and final accounts, not paper trading, because the most important thing is your emotional. And with paper trading, if you got a profit, you just, okay, I'm making money, I can go to live accounts because I'm making money, so you go to live account, lose money. Or if you take a loss on paper trading, you don't, guys, you don't even matter, because it's like fake money. So that's the thing. Always go to live accounts, so you can just use your own money and make money with your own money, not like paper trading. That's gonna help a lot. Third tip is basically, guys, always have a plan for yourself. What am I saying for that? If you're already trading, you already know that you need to have a stop profits, like how much profit you need to make in a day to stop trading, like to end trading a day, just come back to another day. Example, if I make $1,000 today, I stop trading today, just come back to another day. If I take a loss of like $500 in a day, I stop trading a day, come back in another day. If I take 2 stop loss in a day, I stop trading, come back in another day. If I take like 4 trades in a day, I stop trading, come back in another day. Like this example. Why? Because in that way you limit yourself so you don't have greedy. As example, if you make $1,000 a day, you already know you're achieving your goal. So you don't need to, try to expose yourself from other markets to make more money because it already hits your goal. So if you have these limits, it's gonna save a lot of time and a lot of money also. And the money is the currency you can never, spend just to spend. So always, guys, save the most time as possible. Like, you don't be 24 hours in the charts. With 10 minutes, 15 minutes, already can catch good entries. And the more time you spend in the charts, the more you're gonna trade, the more you wanna trade. So that's the thing. A lot of people over trading with this because they spend a lot of time on the charts, and with more time spent in the charts, more time you want to take trades. So see in your routine, like, oh, I can be in the charts at this time, from this time, and then to another time. Like example, New York session, London session, in the ends of Asia session, whatever. Or with the news. Oh, I have news 10 a.m. 11 p.m. So I'll bring the charts after the news so I can trade. I have this already, this strategy removed. I trade after the news with fundamentals, but yeah, basically, this type of examples too. Just be in the charts from this time to another time and have this plan. Oh, if I make this amount of money in a day, I stop trading, just come back another day, because that way you can stop greedy. So if you make this amount of money, oh, I don't need to expose myself in the market more. This amount is good for me. I just come back in another day. In that way, you keep the profits for you, because guys, it doesn't matter like if you take 5 good trades and the 6th one, you just take a loss. You're gonna just give back all these 5 trades, from the markets, the profits. So if you take 5 trades in a day, in this ended up in profits, just take this entry for yourself, just take the profits for yourself, and just do whatever you want. So just come back trades another day. You feel me? So that's the thing. That's helping me a lot, especially when I was studying. Have these limits. And same thing with loss, because if you take a loss and want to revenge trading, guys, most people who already trade for more than 3-4 years, the mistake I see the most is revenge trading. What is that? Revenge trading is basically you take a loss and want to recover the loss. You've lost $500 and want to make the $500 back, and you ended up losing even more money. You see? So that's the thing. If you take $500 in loss, you want to make more money to recover the loss, guys, you're probably gonna end up losing more money, because you stop, seeing the charts like to catch good trades and start seeing the charts to make money. And that way you ended up losing more money, you see? So if you have these limits, if I take this amount of money of a loss, I stop trading a day, just come back in another day. I don't really try to recover this money, because I'm probably gonna end up trading like emotional and not, in my strategy, not in the way I need to trade. So if you take X amount of money in loss in a day, stop trading, just come back in another day. That's how you survive the market, because when the bad cycles come, every strategy have their own cycle. So when the bad cycles come, you need to be aware of each cycle you are in. If you are in the bad cycle, you need to know, oh, I'm in the bad cycle. I will reduce my risk, reduce, the lot I'm trading, reduce my number of trades in a day. So if I take a loss, I take a less loss and survive in the market for more time. And if you are a good strategy, you need to, I will be trading aggressively, I will catching quality setups, I know the clear direction of the market. So every strategy have their own bad cycles and good cycles. So your job as a trader is to identify which cycle you're in. If you're in the good cycle, okay, I'm in the good cycle, double down trades, I'm seeing quality setups, I'm seeing clear direction in the markets, I know exactly what I need to do. If you're in the bad cycles, I know, okay, I'm in the bad cycle, the market isn't clear, the market's unstable, I don't know what's happened here, I'll reduce my risk, I don't try to force any trades, and that's how you survive the market with just one strategy, guys. That's a tip for a guy who already traded for more than 4 years and a half. I already helping more than 200 people inside my own lead consulting. Talking you guys, telling this for you because I already see a lot of traders who are in the market for years and still making these mistakes about revenge trading, greedy, try to train strategy, overwhelming themselves with a lot of knowledge, a lot of videos, a lot of ways to see the charts. You just need 2-3 things to see the charts, read the charts, and have checklists before taking a trade. So for tip, checklists, guys. Checklists is very important because in that way you don't hesitate to take a trade, or you think, if I take this trade, I'm have fear to lose money if I take this trade. If you have a checklist, example, I will wait for this confirmation to enter a trade, or wait for this second confirmation, this third confirmations. If this happened, this happened, this happened, I'm 100% sure I can take this trade. In that way, you are confident to the trades you are taking, and you know exactly what you need to expect in the market, because if you're trading, you know, see the charts and think, oh, I think the market's gonna do that, and enter in a trade, like 50% of the times you wanna end up, you know, losing money. And if you are making money that way, it's not gonna, you know, survive in the long term. So if you're making money that way, you know, just expect like 1 month after this, you're probably gonna have a loss who gonna, you know, give our profits back to the market. So you need to have a checklist. Oh, I need to expect this, this, and this before entering the trades, and that's how you stay profitable. That's how you make money in trading. So yeah, basically strategy, basically, you know, trades with real money, not paper trading. Just have a checklist before taking a trade and have a plan that you can follow day by day. So I made this amount of profits, I stop. I take this amount of loss, I stop. I take, like, example, that's another thing, 5 trades, 6 trades, 7 trades, 2 trades in a day, whatever. Have amounts, you know, amounts of trades you can take in a day, because in that way you stop yourself to do over trading. Because guys, imagine, you know, you're like a sniper, a Navy SEAL sniper, you know, these guys from US who are military, who are snipers. These guys just want to take the perfect shots. They don't try to shots a lot of times because they can, you know, get another person, like, you know, just hurts, taking shots from the wrong person. So they want to just make sure when they take a shot is the perfect shot, the right person, you know. They don't want to take mistakes. That's the same thing in the markets. That's the same approach you need to have in the markets. Because imagine, every trade, every position you open, every sell, every buy, you are taking shots. So if you just take a lot of shots, you are just exposing yourself more in the markets. And that's the thing. Your goal is to make the highest amount of money with the lowest, you know, trades, with the lowest effort. So that's the thing. Just see the charts, just think, oh, I can take these trades, or I'm just taking these trades because I want to make money. You see? So in that way, you reduce your trades, you maximize your amount of profits. Because if you just see the charts as example, in that way, oh, if I take more entries, I'm just, you know, exposing myself more in the markets, you know, consequences, lose your money. So basically, guys, that's the thing, you know, just don't expose yourself a lot in the markets. If you just take a lot of trades, see, that's risk. Every trade you take, you are just, you know, taking the risk. So try to take as many, like, lower trades as possible. If you take 5 trades in a day, see how you can make the same amount of money, you know, taking 3 trades in a day. Okay, you're making X amount of money, take 3 trades. How you can make the same X amount of money, take 2 trades? In that way, you low exposure in markets, and that's how you become profitable, survive the markets for more time. So yeah, guys, basically, you know, I don't want to make this video more longer than this, because with these tips, guys, if you just focus in each tip I gave you to you guys in this video, you're gonna, you know, save a lot of time, make a bunch of money in trading also, because especially if you trade gold, that's the things that really matters. That's, you know, what I see for myself, trading for more than 4 years and a half, and that's what I see for traders who are just starting in my consults, and for traders who are joining, already trading for 5, 6 years already, and doing these mistakes. And once you solve these mistakes, you see the things change, the game change, the profits come. So guys, watch this video back, each mistakes, you know, journaling, see everything I told you to guys, see if you're doing this or not, try to implement this in your trades, in yourself. You'll see a big difference in how you trade, how your profits gonna be after you implement all this. And guys, basically, you know, at the end of this video, I'm letting all this in the description. So just see the description, check another video I have in my profile. Also, if you wanna just work with me one-on-one, I have my, you know, form below, so you want to apply, I see if you're good fit to the problem, so we can work together. Basically, it's a one-on-one lead consult to have just me and you work one-on-one. I say exactly the things you're doing wrong to improve, exactly what the things you're doing good to double down. You have literally one-on-one access with me, my phone number every time. If you're just starting trading, the best thing is starting with the person who already make money, the person who already have the knowledge, who can guide you step by step. And also in this consultancy, you not just have access with me, but also get access to more than 200 people who already have trading as their main source of income, who already have trading, you know, like their main business, and want to be around the person who are in the same goals and make money for this also. So that's the thing. Basically, I also, if you want to send me a DM on my Instagram, I also reply all my DMs. So if you want to talk to me, just send me a DM on Instagram. I personally reply all my DMs as well. Yeah, basically that's the end of the video, guys. That's 100,000% value video. So if you just check out this, you know, it's step by step. If you're here in the end of the video, of course you're gonna have increase like a lot of results on trading if you follow this step by step. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Check out the description and another videos I have in this channel. I hope you guys, I help you a lot with this value, and that's what's making me profitable in like after 1 year and a half trading. So I hope you have all this knowledge I told you guys earlier, so I can be profitable early. So if you've seen this video, just apply all this for yourself. You'll see a lot of changes in your trades and your profits also.